ये वाले हॉस्टल में रह रही हूँ। एंड इफ़ यू आर इन गोवा, दिस इज़ मालकिन हॉस्टल बाय पारुल गुलाटी। बट ये इतना अमेजिंग हॉस्टल है इफ़ यू आर अ बैचलरेट और इफ़ यू आर मैरिड, एंड स्पेसिफिकली फॉर गर्ल्स, एंड इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग विच इज़ लाइक safe and crazy and awesome, do try this hostel. So let me show you a tour which is absolutely stunning, and you must visit Malkin Hostel. I'll put the address in the description box. You can check out whenever you are in Goa. So guys, let me take you to this beautiful hostel inside. And इस साइड में पार्किंग एरिया भी है जहाँ पे मैंने अपना स्कूटी पार्क किया है. So good, आराम से आप स्कूटी पार्क कर सकते हो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. अगर आपके पास 4 व्हीलर है, 2 व्हीलर है, तो वो भी आप कर सकते हो यहाँ पे पार्क. सो कम विथ मी, आई विल गिव यू अ मिनी टूर ऑफ मालकिन हॉस्टल. सो गाइज, वंस यू एंटर हियर, this is a niche hair ka corner which is absolutely stunning. Once you go here, this side is your dining area, kitchen area, and then this side is your swimming pool area. I'll show you everything. Sack option as well, आप enjoy कर सकते हो. There is a few curfew timing, so ये मैंने round circle दिखा दिया आपको. Let's go inside. I will show you कैसा है, and even the prices and everything I will put somewhere on the screen, so you may check out that. So guys, आप back side से enter करोगे, then there is your right side which is a swimming pool, और इधर front में जो है you will have your kitchen area, your dining area, which I will show you shortly. But it's so amazing, and the aesthetic of yellow is absolutely so good. मैंने personally booking.com से book किया था. Otherwise it's very cheap, the thing you are getting here, and there are female dormitories, male dormitories in the private room as well. So yeah, let's go inside and check out the kitchen area and the dining area. And just look at the sun, इतना सुंदर bright sun आ रहा है यहाँ पे, and this whole is giving such a good vibe. अगर आप गोवा में हो, again and again I'm telling, do try this as well. So yeah guys, if you see, वहाँ से sun आ रहा था, कितना खूबसूरत लग रहा है. These are the private rooms. उस साइड में है reception. I'll take you there as well. थोड़ा dark होगा, but this is your dining area. Just look at the aesthetic. Oh my god. And just look at the chandelier. This huge chair is like a king while you are eating here. जो vibe आ रहा है ना, I cannot tell you. This is looking absolutely stunning. Click lot of pictures. Again, just see ये कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. इधर में येलो का टेंट है, and then there is an wooden tent everywhere, and the aesthetically pleasant लग रहा है. The vibe is just vibing. Once you get out of your dining area, very easily you'll get kitchen option, जहाँ पे आपको fridge and the basic amenities सारी आराम से मिलेगी. You have air fryer, and then you have microwave, and then you get filter water as well. आप अपना cook भी कर सकते हो. There is an induction toaster and so on. So guys, you can see at the back side which is swimming pool. Oh my gosh, and just look at the aesthetics, so cool. And basically the curfew time is 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So guys, आप यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हो, music enjoy कर सकते हो रात भर. There is no limit. You can आराम से have your drink, and then you can have your food as well. sack में भी बैठ सकते हो. This is absolutely stunning. Now let's go on this side. They have this sitting arrangement thing, and that's a reception. This is looking strong, baby, cute. That's a Parul Gurla. And then यहाँ का भी जो view है, just look at that. एकदम आराम से आपको स्विमिंग पूल का भी व्यू मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे, अदर देन आप बाहर सैक के अलावा. जस्ट लुक एट द वाइब गाइज. फोटो के मामले में तो आप हजारों फोटोज ले सकते हो. देन वंस यू एंटर दिस साइड, यू विल गेट एन ऑप्शन फॉर playing a pool, and then you can sit here, do your office work, and then when you go this side, you'll have a library section and dormitory. I'll show you. But here if you come, you will get an ironing facility as well, so you can iron your dresses, and then you can aram sit as well here. If you want to put some clothes, you have that hanger as well. And at the back side, just look at the mirror. थोड़ा सा डस्ट लग रहा है बिकॉज ह्यूमिडिटी के कारण, बट अदरवाइज जस्ट लुक एट दिस huge mirror. If you want to click some good pictures, you can click that as well. Just looking like a wow. And then you have this gym area, and आप यहाँ पे मलखम कर सकते हो, जिसके लिए चाहिए आपको ताकत ज़्यादा, और इस शीशे में देख के एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो. You can have anything. You have छोटू डम्बल as well. And once you enter this area, which is basically ये पूरा जो यहाँ पे से ना, then just look at this. यहाँ से भी स्विमिंग पूल का व्यू है. And then when you enter, you can have lot of books option. It's your own library. You can take your own time. You can read a lot of good books. And this sofa is so much comfortable. You can enjoy, and then you can read your book as well. This is what you require, because there are a lot of hustling which is going in our life, and we need some peace. If you are coming to Goa and then reading a book, आराम से relax करके, and then there is an AC AC option as well. So एकदम chilled vibe में आप books भी पढ़ सकते हो यहाँ पे. So guys, अगर आप नॉन फिक्शनल बुक्स नहीं पढ़ते हो and these are the books, मेरे को जॉन ग्रिशन की बुक्स इतनी पसंद है, मैंने ये ऑलमोस्ट सारी बुक्स पढ़ी है. But it is so good. This book, I really like it. I believe this is a heaven. अगर आप अपना टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहते हो, खुद के साथ बुक्स रीड करना चाहते हो, that's an absolutely try on. And I see here कुछ empties भी हैं, तो I believe वहाँ पे भी कुछ अच्छी बुकें आएंगी. And guys, इस साइड में डॉर्मेट्री है. If you just take the staircase and take the right, that's a female dormitory as well. And once you go from this side, the vibe of everything is just an amalgamation of everything. It's so beautiful. And then if I just rotate here, again you will see a chandelier and then a good painting. And just look at that. That library isn't looking not good, guys. Once you get out of this door, you will see few rooms are there, and even these windows are for the female dormitory. And then here you have again swimming pool. So yeah guys, this is how the vibe is. And greenery इतना अच्छा लग रहा है and बहुत शांति है. And once you open this gate, so you have locker facility and बहुत सारे mess हो रखे हैं, please ignore. And this is my dormitory. And then again you have an AC facility. So I can show you my bed. The facilities you get pillow, blanket and towel. Fan on करोगे night. So yeah, this is how the washroom looks like. So guys, hope so आपको पसंद आया हो. जब शाम में sunset हो जाता है, everything is blown with the light and the vibe is just vibing as usual. What I wanted to say is so good and बहुत ही reasonable price में है. So मैंने booking.com से बुक कराया था. 1500 पर डॉर्मेट्री है. सिंस न्यू ईयर आने वाला है, इस हॉस्टल को चेकआउट करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.